Hi, I'm Terry. Welcome to another video. So today I will be showing you guys my wash day routine. As you guys can see right here, I'm showing you my old braid pattern that I had in from my crochet braid hair tutorial that went on very well. You guys can check that out in the iCards. I'll be linking that video. So I went ahead and I pulled down my braids and look at how nasty my hair is looking, guys. So I'm just gonna go in with the Just For Me hair milk, and I'm gonna mix some oil, some castor oil and some carrot oil. I'm mixing those together, and also some old oils like castor oils that I had on hand that I didn't really like. I mixed those together, and I will be applying those to my hair today. So I'm going in first with the Just For Me hair milk, and I'm going to use that to like saturate or rub that into my strands. I'm using this hair milk on my hair because I don't really like it, so I'm doing a pre-poo right here. So I'm just gonna use that first because eventually it will be washed out of my hair, but it's basically helping me to like detangle my hair because I will be finger detangling my hair today, and the oil helps with like slippage, or it helps with slip so that I don't break my hair unnecessarily. So that's what I'm using those two products for my pre-poo. So as you guys saw, I went in with those two, and now I'm just finger detangling my hair. I am taking my time. I have 5 sections, and I did the same thing on all 5 sections. Here I'm going in with my little massage tool, and I am rubbing my scalp with that to massage my scalp just to help with the blood flow. You know, this helps with hair growth, so that's why I'm going in first, and like I'm pre-massaging my hair before I get in the shower. Once I'm done detangling a section, I twist it back up and tuck it in, and then I move on to the next section. Once again, I'm going in with my hair milk first. I am saturating my hair with that. I'm taking my time to finger detangle. And then I go with my oil. I focus most of it like on my roots. You see how dark that is? Like, I had this castor, it was super dark. I did not like the way it looked nor smell. Okay, so I'm just using it for my pre-poo because eventually it will be washed out. Just using it, as I said, to help me to detangle my hair before I go in and wash. And this is my hair when it's soaked up with oils and all of that juice, you know, it's looking coily and moisturized. So again, I'm massaging my scalp, and I do this to all 5 sections. I detangled my hair. Look at my face, guys. Like, this was so relaxing when I was rubbing that on my scalp. It was so relaxing. Look at my eyes. So this whole detangling pre-poo segment, it took me about 30 minutes in total to complete before I went ahead and washed my hair. So once all my hair is detangled and oiled up, that's the amount of hair that I shed or lost during this process. Not a lot. I'm just gonna go in with my steam cap or my plastic cap, and I'm going to put that on my head, and then I'll go in with my satin bonnet and I'll put that on top, and I left this on for about 30 minutes to like kind of heat up. Oh, I forgot to mention that the oils that I used was warm as well. Now we're in the shower and we're about to start washing our hair. First, I turn on the water to get my hair like really soaked up and wet and I pull down my twist. I do not pull out my twists for majority of the time that I wash my hair. You guys will see the whole process. I'm going in with a clarifying shampoo. This is from Nothing But brand, and I'm going to use that to cleanse my hair. It's been a while since I used a clarifying shampoo on my hair, like a deep cleanse. It's been a while since I did that, so I decided to do that today. I'm starting off at my roots, and then I drag it down towards the end of my hair. I wash the whole of my hair, guys. I don't just focus on the scalp only. I wash everything, and as you guys can see, I am massaging my scalp to ensure that it gets squeaky clean. Okay, so with each section that I shampoo, guys, I start off from the root and I pull down my twist and I drag the shampoo down my strands, as you guys can see here, and then I twist up each section. I realize that my hair shrinks a lot. It's very fine. My hair is fine in texture, and it shrinks a lot. As water touch it, it shrinks. So me twisting it up, I'm not giving it no chance to shrink too much. It still shrinks, but while it shrinks, it tangles. So me keeping my hair in twists and working on them in sections helps to prevent tangling, and hence helps to prevent breakage on my hair. So this is what I do since lately to ensure that my hair does not break unnecessarily. Now it's time to rinse my hair out. I'm just going to go ahead and rinse that out, ensure that I get everything out, and I rinse in twists. I don't take my twist out while I rinse my hair. I love washing my hair, guys. And look at that. Look how long my hair looks when it's wet. Now I'm going in with a VO5 shampoo, and this is like the raspberry fragrance. I'm showing you guys a close-up of what my hair looks like when it was washed just once. Look at that curl pattern. It's pretty. Love that. So this is my second shampoo, and with this shampoo I don't go in detail, like go in section by section. I just kind of like put it on top of my hair and just massage my scalp some more. And once all my hair is covered with shampoo, ooh, it smells so good. Yeah, once it's all covered with the shampoo, I go ahead and I rinse my hair out again, and then it will be time for my conditioner. So I'm going with the Cream of Nature Clay and Charcoal Moisture Replenishing Conditioner, and this is what I'll be using. And again, I'm gonna take each twist down and drag that conditioner through gently. I'll add more conditioner because I realized that this was not giving me as much slip as I wanted, so I added some more. Rub that in my palms, and then I slather that all over my hair. And at this point, I detangle my hair again. So by the time I'm done with wash day, my hair will be super detangled, and I don't have to worry about no snagging or nothing. I start from the end, and then I work my way up to the root. Right there, I was just checking if I had any hair on the comb, and I didn't. So my pre-detangling helped with that, so that I'm not losing too much hair during wash process. See, I'm showing you guys. Once I detangle that section, I twist it back up, and then I repeat on all 5 sections. Alright, and that's about it. Look at how juicy my twists are looking. So now I'm just gonna go back in with my cap, my steam cap, and I'm gonna leave this on my hair to like deep condition for about 15 minutes. And then I went ahead and I rinsed it out in the twist. So as you guys can see, I keep my hair in the twist, and while I'm rinsing my hair, I try not to move my hand in that direction that my hair will get knotted. I just let the water run through my hair and squeeze. And this is my hair all washed and clean and well watered down and moisturized. I'm going to show you guys how it looks loosely, how my curls are poppaging. Yeah, and that's basically it for my wash day routine, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.